How to draw chili from Doc McStuffins, step by step. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, I hope you're doing well today. So to begin, we're going to start off in the top left hand corner of the page. We're going to begin by making the hat. Now underneath of the shapes that we just made, we're going to make one circle-like shape. This will be the bottom of the hat. Great job! Now right below, we're going to begin to make the outline of the head. It will look similar to a rock. Do you enjoy watching drawing tutorials just like this? If so, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on the latest videos every single day. Nice job! Next, let's move inside of that rock-like shape that we just made and let's begin to make the nose as well as two eyes. Right below Chili's carrot, we're going to begin to make the mouth. Whoa, so far this is coming along very well. Now let's move right below the head. We're going to begin to make the scarf. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video so that we can color our chili together. Since chili has a striped scarf, we're going to go ahead and add in some lines. If we ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Awesome job! Now on the left and right hand side of the scarf, we're going to begin to make the arms. Now we're almost done, but we're not done just yet. We're going to use one big U-like shape to connect the left arm all the way over to the right arm. This will help make the body of Chili. Now last but not least, in order to make buttons, we're going to use two small circles. This is how to draw chili from Doc McStuffins. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now stick around so that we can color our chili together. Hey Learn How to Drill Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.